There's a lake. Beside the lake there's a cauldron. In the cauldron there is a magic potion, and beside it stands Gwion. She's making this magic potion for her son, Avagddi. He is both unbelievably ugly and incredibly stupid. And this potion will turn him into the most intelligent man in the world. He will know everything that is, everything that has been, and everything that will be. And with that kind of knowledge, looks just don't matter. Stirring the cauldron is an old man called Morda. He was kidnapped from the village of that name in Shropshire, and now he stirs. Now he stirs without being able to see what goes into the cauldron, and that is exactly what Gwion wants. Scuttling in and out of the forest, there's a little knobbly-kneed boy called Gwion Bach. He was stolen from a little village called Caerenion, and his job is to rush in and out of the forest to feed the hungry fire that boils the mixture. The mixture's nearly ready. Gwion, she comes from the forest with the last sprig of herbs. She watches it disappear down into the mixture. And then she realises how tired she is. She hasn't really slept in a year and a day. And as she lies down on the ground, she says to her son, Avagddi, when it's ready, wake me. She puts her head on the ground and she's asleep. And Avagddi stares, uncomprehending, until the mixture is nearly ready.
Cimbale, cimbale, papabelle, papabelle, cimbale, cimbale, papabelle, papabelle, cimbale, 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 cimbale,
The mixture bubbles, the mixture boils, and one by one these 3 drops of inspiration appear on its surface. Now, we know the plan. These 3 drops will leap out of the cauldron and be fed to Avagddi. But as you've already worked out, that is not what happens. Avagddi stares, uncomprehending. The old man stirs, unseeing. Gwion Bach, he rushes around with wood, not knowing what is going on. And Gwion, the only one who knows what's going on, is fast asleep. 1, 2, 3 drops of pure knowledge appear on the surface of this mixture. Now, you can't have pure knowledge and pure poison in the same cauldron. And as soon as that happens, these 3 drops will leap out of the mixture. And they're meant to be caught on the spoon of the old man and fed to Avagddi. However, what happens is, the 1, 2, 3 drops, they leap out of the cauldron. They fly through the air and they land. They land on Gwion Bach's finger. They have been boiling for a year and a day. They are the hottest thing that you could possibly imagine. And as the pain sears through his finger, he does exactly what you or I would have done. And in that moment, he knows everything. Everything that is, everything that has ever been, and everything that will ever be.